So it's really important to remember where these bolts come out of, because you got a few different sizes going on with some of the stud bolts and some of the regular bolts. So I'm taking off the last couple bolts here right at between the transmission and oil pan. This is right at the area where it was leaking, where that rear main seal is. So that's why I suspect that's the problem.
Yeah. The last one.
Alright, drop this side down.
Try not to tip it.
There we go.
Yeah, look at that.
So we've got the oil pickup right there, the bottom of the dipstick. There's the oil pump right there. And you can see the camshaft up in there. And the pistons. Let's see if we can show you a piston over here. There's a piston up in there. The timing chain, I don't know if you can see the timing chain. There it is. There's your timing chain back in there. That's the bottom of your engine when you're doing the oil pan. There's some RTV in there. So we got our new gasket on here, and we got some RTV at these critical points where if you look at the underneath your engine, you can see where the two pieces of metal come together and you got a little groove under there. So it's right there and right there. And then on the back side where the where it meets up with the bearing cap cover. So we're gonna lift the oil pan up into place here.
There's big giant shadow. I gotta clear the starter.